Damn, the last time I came here, there wasn't that many skid marks. There was only this circle in the middle. But now that I'm back, this parking lot has been abused. People have been taking advantage of it. And damn, it's literally just filled with all these tire marks that they do look pretty sick when it comes to pictures. But I kind of don't want these here. I kind of don't want this place to get, I kind of don't want police in this place just because this place is so nice for me to come and record videos. Man, this sucks. What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. Now, before we get started with today's video, huge shout out to every single one of you watching this video. And if you have that subscribe button down below clicked, we finally hit 1,000 subscribers. If you haven't seen this post that I went ahead and did the other day, go ahead and vote on that post. And the only reason we got to 1,000 subscribers is because you guys are constantly showing love, putting likes on the videos, commenting down below, sharing the channel. All those things is what got us to 1,000 subscribers. So thank you guys so much, and it is greatly appreciated. Now, for today's video, as the title and thumbnail clearly show, we are going to be making the FRS faster. And what we're going to be using to make the FRS faster is this right here. It's an OpenFlash tablet. Now, I've had this tablet for about, I'd say, a year now, and I mainly use it only to run a pop tune or a flame tune on my car. Last night we went out and we went to go shoot a video. The video was supposed to be me shooting flames because you guys really liked the flame video, and I just wanted to make another video of me shooting flames, but that video kind of got messed up because of the wind. It was way too windy and you could not really hear it, but I did manage to get a rolling shot of me shooting flames, and I'll go ahead and share it with you guys right now. It's also on Instagram if you guys wanted to see more and check it out. But yeah, this tablet right here, I bought it for $400 to $500, and it's definitely in the top 5 best mods that you can do to this car. It's done me so well. I know there's other tuning platforms. I know there's Delicious Tuning, there's a bunch of other ones that I probably can't name of right now, but this right here is very popular with the 86 scene. Now, I know you guys are probably looking at this and being like, yo, you had this tablet for more than a year, why are you making this video now? Now, when I got this tablet, I mainly only used it for the pop tune. Now, once you go ahead and put a pop tune on your car, I don't know the reasoning behind it, but once you put a pop tune on your car just gets a little slower. Now, I've heard other people say that as well, but for me, I have noticed the car, it's very little. I've noticed the car get a bit slower. What this is going to do is going to get rid of that 3,000 to 5,000 torque dip that this car comes with. Getting rid of that torque dip is going to be huge. It's going to make the car feel a lot faster and be faster, and may even handle a lot better. And I'm gonna let you guys know if you guys should go ahead and pick up this tablet right over here, and I'll let you know everything you need to know about it. So we got the tablet right over here. It's a little bit dirty because I just keep it in the back of my car. Right over here, we're going to go to tuning. We're gonna let it read the tune that's on the car right now. What we're gonna go ahead and do is write. We don't need to read because it already has a tune read on the car right now. We're gonna go to stage 2 plus normal, and I have it right over here mounted up onto my windshield. We're gonna go ahead and key on and confirm. So key on, we're just gonna hit confirm. Right now it's writing the tune. It says do not interrupt the process, do not open doors. Basically means just sit here, do not touch anything, just go on your phone until this is done. So I'll go ahead and pick up the camera once the tune is done loading. Incomplete, this tune is pretty much done. All I gotta do is switch off the ignition. I'm just gonna wait like 5 to 10 seconds, and then I'll go ahead and turn it on and let the car idle for 45 seconds before I go ahead and drive it. So cool things that you can do on this as well is you can hit diagnostics. You can also do real-time data display. So I just gotta click my car and real-time data display. And right over here, it's telling me everything I need to know. Engine speed, throttle, knock correction, AFR, everything that you'll need to know should be right over here. It's very helpful because you'll know how your car is performing, and also you'll know if anything is going wrong with your car. So right after you go ahead and tune your car, expect the idle to be a little bit weird. It just drops and goes up and down. Also, right after you tune the car, you'll have a dead pedal for like 15 kilometers. What it is just the ECU is reading it and learning everything, so don't worry about that. Once both of those are gone, then you'll have the tune to its full potential. Okay, so it's been about 10 kilometers and I gotta say my dead pedal is almost gone. The dead pedal that goes away around 15 kilometers after tuning your car. I've been missing out on a lot of power. I know it doesn't really seem like that much, but once you actually put the tune there and you actually have that power, the car feels a lot faster, if that makes any sense. And I'm going to miss the pop tune, but I'm kind of liking this a lot better right now. I'm super happy with how it came out. Now, it's really hard for me to record driving clips because I don't have anybody with me. I'll go ahead and give you guys my review, my opinion, and if you guys should buy it right after this clip. Now I'm gonna go ahead and give you my opinion review, and I'm gonna be 100% honest with you guys. It isn't fast, but it is a lot faster than what this car came stock. You usually live within that 3,000 to 5,000 RPM dip, and having that completely gone is huge. Running this tune is actually putting a smile on my face. Now, I know this car isn't fast, and I know I'll still end up losing races, but I didn't buy this car to race. I gotta say, this tune, just running a Stage 2 Plus tune, is actually 100% worth your money. So if you're looking to go ahead and do this to your car, I would recommend you do this to your car. It's definitely in the top 5 best mods. Now, I love the pop tune. I'll probably go back to the pop tune for like car shows and everything, but as of right now, really liking how this tune is. Now, the process is very simple of uploading a tune, modifying a tune, or whatever you want to do to your car. I'll have YouTube videos from other YouTube channels linked in the description below if you guys want to learn more, if you guys want to see more content. You can also do this tune on E85. Now, for me, I don't have any E85 near me, so I am not going to be able to do that for now, but once I do get a hand on E85, I think it's about like 100 kilometers out. Once I do get a hand on E85, I will go ahead and give you guys my impression. If you guys want to go ahead and see that, go ahead and drop a like in this video, share this video with a friend that needs to get this tune, and make sure you guys are subscribed down below. Again, I'm so happy with this tune, and I'm going to be keeping it for probably a while. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers, and thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way to the end, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.